Welcome to our small animal hallway. As you can see, we have lots of animals available for adoption. This is Sunny the conure, and he is only about a year old. He is very beautiful and very interested when you talk to him. And these guys are Skittles and Azul. They came into shelter together, and they are available for adoption. And then starting down the hallway, we have a beautiful cockatiel named Casper. She is about 4 years old, and she is also available. Next to Casper are our 3 finches, Mocha, Java Frap, and Carmela, and you can kind of see them hanging out in their nest. Next to them are Harley and Marley, the parakeets. And then we have 2 more guys, Sky and Tiki. Then on to our guinea pigs. This is Kibu and Kimba, and they are pretty shy. They're hanging out in their igloos right now. See if we can take a peek. Hi guys. They are both very cute. Then we have Snoopy. Snoopy is a beautiful male bunny who is very friendly and sweet. We love him very much. Next to Snoopy is Whiskers, and you can kind of see Whiskers hanging out in his tube. He's a very busy hamster. Next to him are our 3 guinea pigs who get along very well. Desmond, Heart, and Cat. They are adorable. And then our little girl guinea pig, Tulip. She's only about 6 weeks old. You can see her hanging out in her igloo. Next to her is the very friendly Zeus. Zeus is a beautiful bunny who's only 6 months old. He's hopping around doing funny dinkies all over the place. Next to Zeus is Jubilee, the guinea pig, who is in her sleep house at the moment. There she is. She is about 1.5 years. And next to her is Pipin, who's very friendly. He is also 1.5 years. He is a boy. And next to him we have our stray bunny. This beautiful guy came in without a name. He was a stray, found all by himself. Then we have our guinea pig Earl. And then our 2 rats named for Frozen, Anna and Elsa. And they are usually pretty active, but they just were very busy climbing all over their cage and are now kind of just having a nap, hanging out. And that's all of our small animals right now.